Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let me open up this light. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, everybody is doing great on this Tuesday morning. We are October 11, and we are up for another live training session. Yeah, so we're going to be bouncing from French to English. If we have any question in French, so don't be shy. Donc, si vous avez des questions en français, ne vous gênez pas de les poser. Ça va vous faire plaisir d'y répondre. Donc, bienvenue à tous. On est encore là pour une session de trading en direct. So we're going to look at that different pair. So welcome to the new people, and don't forget to smash the like button. Yes, we are coming back. This is the second week in a row. After a long break of no live session during summertime. So again, I'm gonna have to build back the audience from scratch. We used to have hundreds of people here, thousands of people sometimes. And we're gonna have to build it from scratch because the algorithm, that's how it works. When you take a break, doesn't like you so much. So we'll see. So I'm gonna ask your help and smash the like button as you come in, baby. All right, let's go. Yeah, I'm on fire, man. I just came back from camping, and yeah, I'm pretty fired up. Let's see if we have any comments here. All right, we got Yuva. Yuva, bonjour, Sacha. J'espère que tu vas bien. Ça va très bien, Yuva. Je te souhaite le bonjour. J'espère que ça va très bien de ton côté. De mon côté, c'est la forme. All right. So let's see. Boom. All right, let me put my chart here. We got another comment here. Ejaz, I'm first time on your stream. Hey, welcome, man. Welcome. Bonjour, Sacha. Bonjour, Joe. Welcome, Joe. So like I said, after a long break, sorry guys, I was distracted for 1 second. Yeah, so we used to have, like I said, hundreds of people, thousands of people here, and we need to build back from scratch. So I hope you guys can help me. Share the stream, share that to your friends, to your trader friends, but especially don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, Joe, it's been a long time. Yeah, pretty long time. This is my second week in a row coming back, so hopefully we're gonna be able to get moving from now. No more distraction. Let's keep the grind. And yeah, so let's see what we got for this morning. All right, so let's pull up the chart. Let's pull up the chart, baby. First we need also. Oh, whoa, we got some background music now on this thing. Oh, let's see what kind of music is that. Oh, we can add music. Only upload music you have made or you're authorized to use. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to investigate on that after. Look like with the software now we got some background music. Okay. Tyron, another week. Yeah, another week, baby. Another week. So we'll see how it goes. Let's first get this thing going here. Here we go. Perfect. Now we can get. Oops. Sorry, guys. It's been so long I didn't stream that I'm all lost with my software. Okay, let's get going. Let's start with GJ. Let's get started. In here. Okay. All right, so hopefully, yeah, okay, perfect. All right, so we're good to go. All right, so let's take a look at the daily time frame. You know what? Let's grab this because some people get lost with my quarter points. So I'm just gonna put it right here. All right. So first thing first, let's establish that on the monthly we are trending to the upside, right? So you can tell we are trading to the upside. We are creating some, we are creating higher high, high lows, high high, and now we got this pullback here on a lower time frame, but came back and closed doji. So now this month so far, we created the top wick. It looked like now we start to come down. All right, so now let's take a look on the weekly time frame. And guys, if you have any question, don't feel free to ask them. Vous pouvez les poser en français aussi, donc gênez-vous pas. So if you look at the weekly, it's a little bit more messy here. But if you look, we were still trending up. Sorry, here high lows. high lows. But here we kind of failed on breaking this high, and we just formed a what? A lower low, because we broke that structure right here. And we came up here, retest previous area that was broken, and look like we are ready to come down now. So that's the weekly. All right. So the weekly now just turned bearish. So let's change our nut here. Oh, actually, it makes sense here. So we are bullish on the monthly, bearish on the weekly so far. All right. So let's keep going. So the daily, again, the daily is bearish now, right? So daily is bearish. All right. Perfect. That's in our notes. Perfect. 4 hour is right now bearish. All right, so 4 hours bearish now, but ranging, right? So we're just stuck in that area now, right here. Boom. And bam. So we are stuck in this freaking range. And we are holding, let's see, actually, let's go on my chart with my QP here. So let's do the zone, like I said, bam, and bam. All right, so we are bouncing back and forth between the 161, 500-ish, yeah, 500 and 160, 750. All right, so we are jammed in this shit right now. 1 hour looks super rangy. Also, we did add a little fake out here to the downside, and boom, straight back up. That's why I do not trade fake out anymore. You know, you got the break, you got the retest, no engulfing candle, the retest here, and came back straight in that range. So that's a no-go. So obviously I'm going to be looking at trade above that range, right? So I want to take, like, let's say a break, retest, and to the upside, or, you know, break, retest to the downside, right? So that's one of the two options I'll be looking for GJ right now. Hey, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in on YouTube. Like I said, I'm coming back from a long break. This is the second week in a row, so I definitely need your help, guys, to build back the audience. So please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. All right, so this is for GJ. Any question for GJ, guys? Let's see. Any question for GJ? Any question for GJ? Let's see. GJ is dead. Yeah, GJ is literally dead. KB, GJ is dead. Yeah. I think GJ has no more pulse right now. It's just like, it's just dead. Dead. So let's go take a look at GU right here. Second in line. All right, so I basically mostly scalp GJ, GA, and gold. And I do swing trade intraday the other pairs. Okay, so again, welcome to the new people on YouTube. Welcome. Don't forget to smash the like button. And all right, so let's take a look at GU. All right, so GU, if you look at GU, the monthly is bearish also, right? Oops, let me get this here. All right, so monthly is bearish. That's, I mean, this is not complicated. Bearish, right? Weekly is bearish. So we broke the weekly support here, and looked like we came up and retested. And if you look right here, we are right in that golden zone here, on the daily golden zone right here. If you look, boom, we respected the safety net right here and retested the previous. Did I say retested or respected? Sorry, respected the safety net and retested previous daily support that was broken. So yeah, this was a pretty nice trade if you had an entry on a lower time frame here. Unfortunately, I was not in front of the computer at that time, so let's delete that for now. All right, perfect. So daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish also, but also rangy right here, right? I think most pairs going to be super rangy. But we should have some volume in this session because that's something I realized is after a long weekend, like holidays, there's a lot of volume most of the time, like on the Tuesday following. So I hope it's going to be the case. I'm going to place an alert here and I place an alert up there, and we'll see. Yeah, so basically everything is bearish right here. So I will be more tempted to take the break retest on this side than the upside, but the upside's still pretty clean also, but it's going to be a counter trend trade. You know, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, it's pretty clean after this area, but everything else is bearish. So we're going to place, I'm not going to go there. So if I go there, it's because we're going to have breaking, you know, if we're breaking the structure right here. So we'll keep an eye on the downside here. So I'm going to remove that because this is not a scalp. It's going to be a swing or intraday. So that's different. GJ, I don't mind going counter trend for like a scalp. But of course I need to reduce my risk because, I mean, that's how you manage your risk. All right, so let's see here. Eurocad. So again, same thing. You know, look at the monthly. Monthly is bearish, right? Weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish. No, daily. Yes, daily is bearish until we break the structure right here. So yeah. And 4 hour is bearish. So as you can tell right here, boom, we had this structure right here, bam, bam, and now we became bearish, came up to retest this area and broke back above. But we are right in that 4 hour golden zone right here. So let's do this. Let's establish that right here. Boom, 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 boom. And I can remove that now. All right, so let's see. Can we find something on the lower time frame here? Nice engulfing candle right here. It would be nice. Nice entry right here. Nice. Just for fun. Right here, if you place your stop above this area, that's a 24-ish pips. If you go for 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's doable. All right, so I'm just going to remove that, not to confuse anyone, but this was just for C2 if we have enough room. We have this area that was problem. If you look on 4 hours, this was the support that became resistance, and we broke back above. So we should have any problem to break it down again, especially that if you look now on H1 here, we have no strictly to the left. We have this little area here, but after that should be fine. So let's see. Like if we can, oops, wrong tool here. Actually, let's move that now from here. If we can break this down and retest this area, I'll be interested. It's too bad though. Well, actually, if the 4 hour time frame close engulfing right here, it can be actually pretty nice. It's gonna be a big stop, but let's say that it close right here just for fun. It's a 45 pip stop loss. And 3, 2, 1 is going to be a little tight because we're going to have to break the support. But you can easily secure profit like around like 1.75, which is not that great of an RR, but you can just secure 50% proof your stop at break even. Or you, as soon as you hit like 45 pips right here at 1 to 1, you move your stop at break even and you let it ride for a 3 to 1. That's also something you can do. I might actually do that. So definitely going to keep an eye on how this H4 candle is going to close because it actually does look pretty nice. Pretty nice. All the time frame are bearish, so we're straight in that golden zone. Yep. But 30-minute flip bearish, it's going to be on the break of this area. So that's perfect. Yeah, okay. Awesome. All right, so we got a plan here. So this is going to move on top because so far this is my favorite move. Let's go back to GJ. It's 8 a.m. So we got the 1 hour close right here. So 1 hour did close. So 1 hour did close bullish. Nice, pretty nice size candle. But as you see, we also rejected the 160, 161, 500 QP here. Right to the dot. Look at those close, man. Right on those QPs, man. Crazy. And rejected. And now we got this new candle open up. Let's go take a look at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes did close bearish. And as you see, we rejected right on the dot this major, not major QP, sorry, but QP right there. It looked like now we're coming down, but it's a small body candle. And like I said, I'm not super interested trading in that range right now. It's a pretty big range. Don't get me wrong. I mean, you got like 25, 50, 75 pips in that range, but I just don't like it. It's just like, it's not nice. Look at this. It's just like we are moving sideways. So I'm not interested. Not interested, baby. Let's see if we have any comments, questions. Can you check gold first? Yes, we can definitely check gold. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. If you smash the like button, guys, don't forget we are back for the second week in a row after a huge ass break. So I'm definitely gonna need your help to move the algorithm. All right, so on gold, let's take a look here. If you look, we finally broke this 1700 level. We broke down and we come retested. We rejected 1700 to the T. This is a pretty strong ass level. And if you look on the daily here, we did close above and came back straight down. Let me remove some of those lines. Remove, yes, perfect. Let's remove this. Perfect. All right, so daily so far, yesterday. Yes, yesterday. No, is it yesterday? That's on the 10. Yeah, yesterday did close bearish. Even if it was holiday, looked like gold had some volume. I didn't trade yesterday, by the way, guys, because I wasn't camping. Now, if you look, we are still bearish here. We actually did broke this high right here, so it looks bullish. But honestly, I would, because this is really tight. If you look here, look, it closed by a tiny thing above. So I would consider like a strong break, to be honest. Because if you look at the weekly is purely bearish. And just for an idea here, let's use our friend Fib. We rejected the golden zone right there. Just for fun, let's try to find an entry for you to understand, like, how I do that. If you go daily, 4 hour, let's see here. So here would be perfect because here on the golden zone, we rejected right here. There's two things you can do. You want to see the break of structure on a high time frame. So if you look on H4, we were bullish and now suddenly we came bearish. Price came up right here, retested previous support that was broken and came back down, right? And your nice engulfing candle right here on 4 hours, or you can go on a lower time frame to find a better entry. So you can go on H1. So H1, let's see. Yeah, right here. So H1 right here. You had your nice engulfing candle. Boom, you got your break, you got the retest of previous support that was broken. Nice engulfing candle closing right under 1700. So you can use the next candle and use the dot setup for better confirmation and enter right there. So that's some stuff that I look at. So now, what about today? So now, what about today? Today, I mean, not most, but every time frame is bearish as we speak. Daily is bearish, 4 hours bearish. So now let's take a look. Here we are right at this area. That was huge problem in the past. Bam. So if you take a look here, see here, here, strong level, very strong level, 1660, very strong level. So am I going to take a short right here? No. I'm going to wait for something to break under here because after that, we got some clean ass traffic here to the left. So yeah, so I'm going to wait for a break here or pull back to the upside. Let's take a look here on H1. 30-minute. Let's take a look at H1 again. Yeah, if we do break 1672 ish. Yeah, somewhere around there. I'm gonna place an alert. If we can have like on the lower time frame a break, retest, it can be a nice little scalp there, or same thing on the other side here. If you look on 30-minute, yeah, will be great because 30-minute will be the break of structure right here. So here we are bearish at the moment, but once we're going to be breaking this high, we're going to be bullish. So if you got a break retest, we can go up. Same thing to the downside. You know, I place the alert here, but barely. If you can, let's take a look. Yeah, no, I definitely want to clean this. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. EJAS already liked. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Can we get to 20 likes? Let's go, man. We're starting from scratch, man. We're starting from scratch. Like I said earlier, if you guys just joined, thank you for joining. This is a live trading session that we have like every Tuesday morning, or used to have every Tuesday morning, but took a huge ass break during summertime, and now the algorithm is not our way. We used to have like hundreds of people here, thousands of people. If you look at the most popular video, we had like, I think, I don't want to say anything stupid, but was it like, I think we had like at one point, like we got like 10K views on one of the live trading session, 8K, 5K, you know, somewhere around there. So we had like thousands of people, you know, we had like hundreds of people lives. But again, I need your help to share the good news that we are back. And yeah. Can you maybe hold on? Wait a second. Where's that question? Can you maybe check NAS 100? I do not trade NAS 100, Tyron, but we can definitely take a look at it. Still gold has 26 pip range to reach your level. Yeah, correct. But gold moves so fast and so much volume, liquidity that I'm like, nah, I don't feel the need of putting myself into risk here. You know, there's so many opportunity on gold that I can be super patient. That's something I learned the hard way. Back then, I was impatient, taking a lot of trades. Like that, yeah, but I got room, right? I got like 20 pips. No. I'm not saying it's not gonna work. I'm just saying like I want to put the odds my side and just be smart about it. You know, I don't want to gamble anymore. You know, like back then, I wouldn't call that gamble, but it was like super high risk sometimes. It was like stupid, you know, just for, you know, the show of it and, you know, fuck it. Now these days, I'm like super calm about it. I wouldn't say super calm. I'm still excited because this is my kind of person, but I'm more patient. Yeah, more patient will be the right word. So yeah, so even if you have like, if you look at this, like in this two zone, you got like 113 pips, right? It's a big ass range, right? But look at this. Look at this area here. Look at this, and look at here. So I don't like it. If you put area's problem right here, you got one right there, you know, and you got also one right here, and you also got a strong level right there, you know. So why should I fucking trade in this, Yeah, no, no, thank you. No, 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 thank you. And even if you take the trade to the upside, let's say you take the trade on the break of the high right here, you got like what, 18, 22 pips, but it's super tight. It can reverse any moment, any moment. So, but it can work. Like, I'm not saying it's not going to work. I'm not saying do not trade it, guys. If you like the setup, and you've been trading this style for a while, execute on it. But personally, this is not my type. I don't like it. Um, uh, Tyron, can you check? Okay, yeah, yes, we're gonna check it. Conservative, yes, aggressive. Yes, yeah, I'm more conservative these days, to be honest. I'm not saying that sometimes I'm not gonna go, a little cowboy. It still happens sometimes, but most of the time, more conservative now these days. Washington, yeah, too much whipsaw, yeah, totally. Agree on good analysis. Hey, yeah, thanks, man. I stay away from too much whisper. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. It just like doesn't. I don't like it. But if we do break here, we're about to get our alert trigger here. So now it's going to be interesting. If we do break and retest above here, it can be fun. Um, Nas 100. Damn, bro. Nas 100. All right, so let's do a top down analysis. Like I said, I don't trade Nas, right? So this were like stuff that we took, not took, but explained previously with some students. So let me delete all this. Um, Back then we had a student that was trading Nas. So all right. So let's still. Whoa, sorry guys. So let's take a look here. So monthly is bullish, all right. Weekly is bearish now. And look at this here. We got a pretty nice trend right here. But here, no, here we didn't broke this, so we're still bearish. That's good. Here we broke support here, and we came up, retest, and now look like we're ready to come down. We retest on a lower time frame. So let's take a look here. We're going to establish this zone right here. Daily. All right, so daily breakdown. We closed. We didn't close under yet. Let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hour has been. Oh shit, that's ugly, 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 ugly. Here it looks like I'm gonna get the retest here on a lower time frame. All right, let's take a look at 4 hour for 1 second, and the daily. Okay. Like I said, I do not trade NAS, but if I was trading NAS, I would not be interested in this area. I mean, look at this. Oops. So you see all those wicks here where rejected, here support. So not interested. I would be interested above here, like above, I guess, 10,900. Um, that would make sense if we do like break retest to the upside, but everything else is bearish, right? So I don't know. I don't like it that much. I would look more for, let's say, here. Can we get a 1 hour? Yeah, okay, let's take a look at 1 hour fib here. Sorry, the low is right here. All right, so here we got also the golden zone right here on H1. Bam. So let's establish that. Perfect. All right, so now let's see if we can find an entry here to the downside. So if we have a nice 30-minute engulfing candle or 15-minute engulfing candle here to the downside, that will be my kind of trade I would be looking at. But yeah, but like I said, I do not trade gold, don't forget. But again, if you came on top here, break retest, the reason why I would be interested is because 15-minute and 30-minute will break structure to the upside, right? And that can be a quick scalp. But for longer term, I would be looking at something here on 1 hour, like price coming down, up, form resistance, and continue down. You know, that to the upside would be a quick scalp for me. This will be like a better trade. But again, like I said, I do not trade NAS. This is just my view on it if I was trading it. So hopefully that can help a little bit. Hey Munir, what's up, man? Hope you're doing good. We are back, guys. We are back after a long ass break. So second week in a row. Hopefully we can keep this thing going every Tuesday. Hey, let's get to 20 likes. Let's get to 20 likes. Like I said, we need to build back the audience from scratch. I do need a huge favor from your end, guys. Like I said, I'm ready to answer all your questions. But in exchange, I'm just asking for a little like. All right, let's go back to, where were we? NZDGPY. What time is it now? 8:16. All right. Fuck, I need to open up my MT4 here. All right. GJ right there. Boom, boom. All right, cool. All right. NZDGPY, what we got here? All right, so monthly is bullish. So monthly is bullish here. Weekly is still, yeah, we broke that low. So look like we're breaking structure on the weekly bearish. All right, all right, all right. It's not a strong break, so it's kind of effy, to be honest. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bearish, and we're ranging right now. 4 ranging still, but still bearish. I mean, it was bullish here when we broke structure, but came straight back down, and now we are breaking that low. Yes, so it looks bearish. It's not clean though. I don't like it. It would be clean under here. If you look at H4, to the left here. Yeah, not that great. Not that great. But if we do come up here and retest, that would be perfect though. Like if we get this, that would be perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's take a look at something else here. Yeah, this paper trade here. We took it. Yeah, that was during live stream last Tuesday, I think, if I'm not wrong. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Yeah, now on this one, I would love to see like a retest here. So I'm gonna place an alert here. but it's not going to happen today. So we're going to move on. NZD CAD. NZD CAD looks pretty decent here. We had this area. Now that we come retest. Let's take a look at the, oh, which is also the daily. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So daily retest, H4 retest. All right, all right, all right, all right. Definitely gonna keep an eye here on NZD CAD. I'm gonna move it up. 30 minute. Awesome. All right, cool. Gonna keep an eye. It's not gonna happen today. I don't think so. Because I need or four. Let's see. Yeah. We might have a little pullback here because if you look here at this daily fib, we might have a pullback until this area right here before it start coming back down. So I think tomorrow, if we do have like a daily bearish after that, it's gonna be easier. If you look on 4 hour golden zone, same area here. So let's mark it down. Let's mark it down, baby. 4 golden zone. So I'm good. Once we're gonna be in there, I'm definitely gonna be looking at opportunity. But I'm gonna be looking at opportunity to maybe take an early entry. But after that, I'm gonna wait to add a second entry to break structure on the lower time frame, like 30 minute or 1 hour. And we'll see. We shall see. So yeah. Okay, so this bear is looked at. What time is it now? 8:20. All right, so we got 9 minutes before the close of the 30 minute. So we're gonna go to take a look back at gold and GJ. Let's see here if we have any question, comments. Appreciate it, man. You're welcome, Tyron. Doing good, and you? Pretty good. Just came back from camping, and we're starting back the live stream. So, and again, guys, I need your help. Smash this like button. We need to get to at least 20 likes, man. Come on, man. We used to have hundreds of people here. Let's go. What are you looking at, GJ? We'll go back to GJ. I'm just waiting to get out of that range, basically. AUD and NZD? Sure. Let's take a look at it. AUD, NZD, AUD, NZD. Oh, shit. I don't have AUD, NZD here. Really? Interesting. Okay, let's go take a look at it. AUD, NZD. Joe, USD CHF is melting right now. Oh, we'll go take a look at it. All right, so AUD NZD. Like you see, I never trade AUD NZD. Oh, what an ugly ass fucking range here on the monthly. Whoa, terrible. Just got out of that range on the monthly time frame. Pretty horrible. That's why I probably didn't have despair. Because look, since 2014, since 2014, it's been ranging on the monthly time frame, which is look at this box. This is terrible. Like this is terrible. Terrible. All right, so weekly just got out of that range. Well, yeah, now let's see. So here was the range here on the weekly time frame since May 22. Since May 22, it's been ranging here. So we finally we break out, we came down, we retest, and now we pushed up. So now it looks like we're coming down to retest previous resistance that was broken. So let's see on the daily here. Daily is starting to trend a little bit, but we're coming back down. And now if we break this support right here, bullish move is going to be invalid. So we'll see if we pull back. Yeah, I really don't like this right now. Just yeah, no, fuck it. No, it's terrible, 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 terrible. Yeah, I would definitely not look at this pair. Sorry, bro. USD CHF. Do I have USD CHF? No. Fuck it. Yeah, USD CHF. You definitely don't want to be trading that. It's crazy, man. Yeah, the Swiss franc and the USD, which is kind of can be like two safe haven fighting against each other. Yeah, fuck no. I try to stay away, to be honest, from a lot of USD pair because sometimes it's just like too stupid with news, you know. So I try to stay away. Sometimes GU, I'm gonna take a look at it, and of course I do trade gold, but scalp, right? I will not swing trade like a lot of USD pair, to be honest. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's go back to GJ. All right, so 30 minutes about to close in 5 minutes. And look like we want to close above this zone, but it's not done yet. It's not done yet. Hey, I need to test this music thing on the. Let me try to see if it works. Let's see. What? So I'm just curious, how does it sound though? Because this is the first time I'm trying this. I'm wondering if it's coming out of from my mic. So can anyone tell me if the music you can hear it? And after that, I'm gonna do another test. I'm gonna mute my mic and see if you still hear it. Can you guys hear the music? I know it's weird music, but I'm just doing a test. It's something in the software. Can you guys hear it? No? No answer? Right, you still there? And what about if I alert from Eurocad? What about if I mute this? Okay, so now I'm gonna mute my mic and let me know. Thank you, Munir, for the answer. I'm gonna mute my mic in 1 second and let me know if you still hear the music after. So 3, 2, 1, mute. Alright, so were you still hearing the music when I was on mute? I'm just curious if it goes through the StreamYard. The music was still playing? Oh, that's amazing. And was the sound better when it was muted on the music, or same thing? That's pretty good to know, though. The music was still going? Okay, that's perfect. Awesome. Okay. Interesting. I'm not sure if we find some music I can play with this Yeah, GG looked good. It broke above, yeah, but I would love to see a retest though on either 15 or 30 minutes. Or it's gonna be the H4 dog setup. Yeah, H4 dog setup. So basically, the H4 dog setup will be great. Because if you have this candle closing above this range, and we got here clean traffic with this major QT, I'm going to wait for the next bar to break down, take the tail, break the high, and boom, move up. So that's probably going to be my play for today. Because that's going to be in 30-ish minutes. Right. We have an alert on Eurocad. All right, so it looks like we are coming down. That's going to be perfect. Look at this. Look at this. This is good. This is perfect. Yep. I'm gonna keep an alert here to remind me to go take a look at it. Yeah, so it looked like I found a way to have some music here without using YouTube music library. How add music to your stream using one of your royalty-free tracks. You won't have any copyright issue on the social platform. That's interesting. Loop the select track. Oh, let's try this one. I would love for music to play song after song, though. GG is good. Bottom wick. Can we enter? Alright, all depends on your plan, dude. I personally am gonna wait for the break and retest on 30 minutes. Because this is just a break. You know, you got your break here on 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, the thing is we are closing before our time. And my problem is, look at this. And again, I'm not saying it's not going to work. It might just shoot up, right? But look at this close. That close rejected on the freaking dot, the QP here. So I personally don't like it. Plus the fact is, in 28 minutes, we're going to be closing this candle. And what happened when we close a full hour candle? 80% of the time, you got a wick down, so you might get stop and break even, or even get a stop loss. I would prefer for this candle to break and close above this QP, and after that, use my dogtail setup to fill that wick and probably touch this major QP. But again, I might miss the move because it's 8:30 and there's volume, so we might just break the high here and just shoot up. It's very possible. Very, very possible. So if it's part of your plan, yes, you can enter. I'm personally going to wait. Even if I miss the move. Like I said, I'm more conservative. Oh my freaking gosh, that was hard for Franglish. Conservative. Jeez. Woo. Okay, I'm having a hard time this morning. Conservative. Thank you. Jeez. That was not easy. Yeah, these days. Remember the 4 hour close. Exactly, Munir. Oh, Munir, you're in. Alright. Wish you the best, man. Franglish, yeah. Franglish is my language. Sometimes I talk with people and I talk French and suddenly in the middle of the sentence switch to English and back and forth and yeah. Bonjour Albert, bonjour, j'espère que ça va bien. Oui, ça fait un bail. Ça fait un bail et là c'est la 2e semaine de retour. Donc, j'ai besoin de votre aide pour peser sur le bouton j'aime pour aider l'algorithme à revenir. On avait des centaines de personnes ici, des milliers de personnes des fois. Donc, il faut vraiment rebâtir l'algorithme depuis le début. Donc, j'ai vraiment besoin de votre aide, la gang. But now we're back, second weeks in a row. We should be good now. Yeah, business was crazy this summer. Business was just in freaking insane. Plus, I had a lot of traveling to do. So yeah, that's why I was more absent. But now we're back. This weekend was our last camping weekend, so we should be back also for Forex Talk Over Beer next week. I don't have anything else. No more paintball tournament. No more anything. So should be more. Should have a lot more time now for YouTube. Ok, j'ai déjà laissé mon like, bro, juste pour te donner de la force. Hey, merci Albert, c'est vraiment apprécié. J'espère que ça va bien de ton côté, ça fait longtemps. All right, Munir, you got 10 pips out of it. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. And as you see, if people were waiting for the break, GJ came and teased you right here. It did broke by a tiny bit, but we rejected again this QP. So for people that say QP don't work, QP works pretty damn well. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't took it, because it was rejected around the dot, and as you see, second wick in a row rejecting this area. So that's pretty crazy. Let's take a look at gold. Gold 30-minute did close, but oh, look at this, man. We reject our alert, but which was like the previous resistance right here, right? So on the dot, rejected resistance, and yeah. Let's try to see if there's another song here. Oh, this one is called Feeding the Duck. I'm very curious. Very weird. Feeding the Duck. What a weird ass title. Whatever. Let's go back to GJ. Albert. Je vois des commentaires, je les vois plus. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ah oui, quand même. Oui, j'étais au Togo pour les vacances. Just came back. Oh, nice. Mon air, j'ai eu chaud. Oui, ça passait proche, hein? Passé approche de ne pas avoir ton 10 pips. C'est pour ça que des fois, des choses risquées comme ça, des fois, ça ne vaut pas la peine. Quand c'est trop serré, ça ne vaut pas la peine. Mais c'est parfait, tu as sécurisé et c'est correct. Weird song. So pretty happy now. By the way, for anyone interested into NFTs, I'm going to be part now of the city council on the Duggy DAO. Here, if you see my name, somewhere right here. Boom. So I'm going to be part of a group that's going to be helping this project and deciding where this project goes. So we're gonna get things move up, and it's going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got tons of good ideas where we're going to be able to leverage this project and have some profit shares for the community, and also going to do a partnership with FX Dogs Academy. So anyone with a dog's gonna have a discount, but anyone with a DGen dog's gonna have access to FX Dogs Academy. I know I said that in the past, we just never had time, and people that was taking care of it, it was hard to set up everything. But now we are setting everything up ourselves, so it should be good. And also the official announcement. Oh, we just released that today. Mark the beginning of the new chapter. And right now it's super cheap to get started with Soul Dogs. Right now price went down. So I mean, it's super, super cheap. You can secure a dog for pretty cheap right now. Let's see. Whatever. Let's close this. Boom. You see, 0.32. You got some nice dogs there. If you take a look, where would be like a DGen dogs? A DGen dog's gonna get access to our live Zoom session, and every day, like every day. Let's see the next DGen dogs. Where is it? 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 DGen dog's basically a dog with crypto traits. So either Solana, Ethereum, BTC, T-shirt, chain, hat, sunglasses. Let's see. Oh, here you can get one for 0.5 Sol. There's a Solana T-shirt. This one's going to be available for it, eligible for it, to get free Zoom session every day. So here's another one at 0.6. Let's see. Can you get another one? By the way, I'm just doing a quick tour here, and we're gonna get back to GJ. Where would be the next one? So you got only two under one Sol, and one Solana right now is. Let's go take a look. One Solana right now is like $31. So that's pretty damn cheap to have access to live session. Just saying. Here is, where's the next one? Where's the next one? Where is the next one? Wow, man, there's not a lot for sale. Let's see. Oh, here a 1.2 with a Solana necklace, and that one's super rare too. It's a fly. I actually might buy that one. Wow, man, there's not a lot for sale now. Not. Oh, here's a Solana special. So the breed is Solana, so this one will be eligible. Plus, you got the bandana kind of thing, but whatever. All right, so you guys get the point. But so if you're interested, now it's going to be pretty nice. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got another meeting pretty soon, so it should be cool. Where's my chart? Oh, right here. All right. Boom, 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 boom. And look at Solana here. Solana mostly ranging right now between $34 and $31. 30 is a very strong level. But BTC is also having a pretty hard time breaking 19,000. 19,000 is the very, very strong level right now. Keep bouncing back and forth on that 19,000. I'm still waiting for Phil to get his tattoo here. If we reach 12K. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, let's go back to GJ. Let's go back to GJ. Let's try another song from that weird playlist. So this one's called Into Space. All right, let's see if we have any comments, questions. What is an NFT? Oh, all right. So NFT is a non-fungible token. I highly recommend anyone here to do research on NFT because this is the next big thing. Basically, NFT, the way I like to explain it, and unfortunately, there's not a lot of people, not a lot of projects using NFT the right way. So let me give you an example. Okay, so let's go back. So this NFT, right? It's an image, right? It's an image, but the image, it's not really important. It can be anything. It can be, you see, you got all kind of project here. Okay, so you got DCOS, which is one of the biggest projects. You got those image. You can get any kind of an image. Okay, it doesn't matter the image. What matters is the smart contract behind that image. So that image is encoded with some stuff that will allow you and get you some benefits, right? Obviously, there's a lot of project that has no benefits. It's just an image, and that is bullshit. If you wait a second, that music is done. What? That was quick. Let's try that one. So if you have no benefit or nothing, just an image, I'm not. I don't like those projects. There's another project, just to give you an example, right? So this one, Astro Baby, right? So this one, they got three collections. They got those babies. They got the Astro. Cup. Astro, where is it? Astro Baby Cup. So you got those one. So those one, basically, the smart contract behind says that you're eligible to get a profit share from the online casino that we have. Plus, they're also gonna build a real casino in El Salvador. So you got different projects like that. So basically, the smart contract, the way I like to look at NFTs, you guys know Kickstarters. If you guys know the website Kickstarters is a way for new businesses to get money to create a project, right? So NFT is kind of a cheap way to be part and owner of a project, okay? So Kickstarter, let's say on Kickstarter, you can find, like, let's say, I don't know, jackets, that a winter jacket or board game. Let's say a board game. If people wants to create a board game, they have a crazy idea, they have a nice idea to create that board game, but they don't have the money to actually create and produce that game. So on Kickstarter, you have a chance to pay, let's say, I don't know, let's say something stupid, let's say $20, $50. You get it for super cheap if they produce it, but they're only going to be able to produce it if they raise enough capital to do it. So NFT is kind of the same way-ish, meaning that you're gonna sell a collection of, like, let's say 5,000 image or 10,000 image, depending on the collection, and they might deliver their roadmap, which is their product, their project, or they might not deliver it. They might not be able to deliver it. So it's kind of, you gotta investigate on projects, see if they're solid, who's behind, what they're doing, what's the project, what's the profit share, what's everything. It's a cheap way to be part of a big project eventually, and have some passive income. Yeah. So that's a quick way to explain it, basically. What is this NFT? I know NFT. What means? What is this NFT? Oh, okay. So basically, Soul Dog. So if you talk about Soul Dog was, at first it was a project sold about the metaverse, right? So if you look on the website, so this is the we got houses here, and we got here all the white paper, So it's basically a metaverse city, right? Where people can be interact, having all kinds of stuff. You can actually stake your NFT to earn bones. Bones is a token that you can use for lottery, play only dice. You can play a dice game on it. Oops. You got a dice game that you can use your bones to play. You got a lottery where you can win some blue chip NFTs. And I'm also working to create a very nice merch shop. And I'm also working to create an online store with them that's going to be able to sell, like, dog food, dog treats, dog toys, all branded with these Soul Dogs So people is going to be able to use their bones that they win when they stake their dogs. And so there's actually going to have a utility for those bones, and people is going to be buying those product from different project from all around the world, basically. So a profit share is going to be done to the holders that owns a dog, right? So that's one of the project I'm in, but that one I'm actually helping them putting it all together now. So it's new from a couple of days that we all got together and we're gonna decide. Another one that I like, it's Cyberlinks. Um, Cyberlinks is also online casino. We got a lot of games, so I like that one too. Nice profit share. Basically, there's a lot of them. So if you guys have any question about NFT, you let me know. Yeah. Anyways, so let's get back at it. Hopefully that answered the question. Okay, thanks. Yeah, you're welcome, Munir. Welcome. Hey guys, don't forget to smash the like button. We are 3 likes away from 20. Can we get 20? This is our comeback on the live stream now. This is our comeback, second week in a row. Can we get 20 likes, guys? Let me send a message to those guys here on Discord. Say, boom. Just talked about our awesome project live on YouTube. You can rewind a bit and you will hear it. Yeah. All right. Let's try another song. This is new. This software didn't have any song before. Not a great song, but it is what it is. All right, so we are almost at 20. Almost at 20. We got 17 likes. We're missing 3. Come on, guys. Need your help here to build back the audience. Starting from scratch. All right, what we got here? All right. All right. So 1 hour is about to close, like in 8 minutes, and you see we're rejected this QP right now, and we're having a hard time closing above this area. We need 4 hours to close above. We need 4 hours to close above too, and we can use our dogtail setup on the next one. But you see, that's why I do not trade breakouts anymore. You know, Munir, when you were asking, or I can't remember who it was, I think it was Ejaz, if we can enter here. I do not trade breakouts. This is a breakout candle. I'm going to wait for a retest and go, right? I got trapped too many times into breakout trades. And yeah, just for me, it's not worth it anymore. Not worth it. Let's see. Can we get a close above here? Someone did send me a message about Solana. I'm gonna check something. Yeah, this is pretty brutal right here. We did broke that daily support. We're having a hard time breaking here. So let's see. Do you trade? Do you trade last week? Last week, yes, I took a couple of trades last week. Yeah, I posted on my story. And we traded last week on Tuesday. You can take a look at the live stream. We actually discussed 2 winning trades during the live stream. Yep. Oh, 18 likes. Come on, we're missing 2 likes, guys. 2. Wait effects. Cool NFT project, dude. I love the smart contract associated with the dog food and pet needs. Yeah, totally. I mean, this, and there's so many dog and cats like all around the world that if we create an online shop where people can get stuff like that and earn the token, and not earn, but sorry, but use the token that they earn to buy it, you got a good need. Plus, you can get people buying stuff with USDC, meaning we can have a developer work a way to convert US money into USDC, and we put that USDC into our LP liquidity pool, so that increase also the value of the bones, which is kind of cool. So yeah, I think this can work pretty well. So we are on it right now. We're just it's not gonna happen like in a day, you know. It's gonna be a process, but I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. Plus, we got the merch store going on. I got a family business that we do merch. That's why I always add my merch for my academy, right? But yeah, we have a company that do merch. We do merch for Cirque du Soleil, Van Gogh exhibition. We do a very high-end quality merch. And I think the space of NFT love merch, but from what I've been hearing, everyone's getting like cheap ass merch. They're using Gildan t-shirt, you know, cheap ass stuff. So I think we're gonna create our own merch. It's gonna be very nice, and we can eventually become the project that create merch for other project, where we can also have a profit share for the community, right? So I think that makes sense. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we can do. Thank you, Wade. Tu es au Canada ou tu es en vacances? Non, j'habite à Montréal. J'habite à Montréal, au Canada, Québec. Québec, Canada. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. We got 3 minutes left. We're missing 2 likes for 20. Come on, can we get it? Come on, guys, smash that like button. And look at the 30-minute flipping bearish. Look at that. Munir, thank God you're out of that trade. Let's go take over the gold. See gold rejecting this area. So gold, I'm also going to be looking at this lockout setup, basically, if we do break the high here, but it's going to be tight because we're right at the resistance, so we'll see. Looks like we're coming back to retest this area that was broken. All right, 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go take over the 4-hour close. Can we close above? And look at this thing rejecting hard now. Wow. Look at this thing. Are closing under 500 QP or above 500 QP? Oh shit. Oh shit. You see? Look at this. We close right under or right at this major. Yo, this gonna be more on this QP than this. Look at this close. Right on the QP line. Right on it. No, I'm telling you, QP doesn't work. Yes, it does. Um, so yeah. Wow. You see, that's why everyone who did try to trade that breakout got fucked. So now you gotta wait. Now you gotta wait for the dogtail setup on this 4-hour candle. You need that wick down and break the high. So at this point, I'm just gonna place an alert somewhere around here, so I got time to run to the computer because I need to get my day started right. But I'm also gonna place an alert to the downside because I've been testing this dovetail setup on H4 and it's been working super well. So let's go take a look at gold here. Gold. I'm gonna place my alert now somewhere around there to have time. And we're gonna move that. Oops. Where's this alert? Here we go. I'm gonna move it like somewhere here. Bam. There we go. So at least I got notified and can run to the computer and put my trade in, right? So that's gonna be pretty much the only thing I'm gonna be watching, except for the swing here on Eurocad. I'm gonna be looking at. I got my alert set, and gonna take a look. And ZDCAD, yeah, I need to. Oh, look like. Let's take a look at the. Hold on. Eurocad 4. Oh, 4 candle did close bearish engulfing, so that's pretty nice. You know what? On Eurocad, I think I'm going to take an entry on the wick up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do my risk. I'm going to split my risk in two. All right. So let's say I want to risk 1%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take an early entry here, somewhere here on the wick up at 0.5%. And my other 0.5%, I'm going to use it on the break retest of this area. Yeah, so that's what I'll do. So yeah, that's what I'll do. NZCAD, like I said, here we rejected really close the H4 golden zone, which is also the 382. And now look like we're coming break and retest this area. So if we can get like a 30-minute engulfing candle after breaking structure, it'd be great. Yeah, all right. So any question before we go here? Oh man, that's too bad. We're missing 2 likes, man. Can we get it before we end the stream? What's up with that, man? What's up with that missing 2? It's okay, man. We are growing. Last week, we came back with 7 people. Now this week we're back at 20. Our peak was 22, 24, I think. And like I said, I mean, we used to have like hundreds of people here. Yeah, so now we're gonna build back the audience. Let's see here. We got Michelle. What's up, Michelle? You're on Zoom. Did I miss your text on Zoom? I didn't miss it. Okay, sorry. Oh, we got 20 likes, guys. Thank you, man. Thank you. All right, so let's go see here. What about gold? Gold, basically I'm gonna do the same thing here. Gold, I want to see the break retest of 1674 or 1660. I like 1660 better because everything else is bearish, to be honest. but it's going to be a quick scalp on gold. Or I'm going to be looking at the H4 dogtail setup, but that one's going to be very dangerous because we are right at H4 resistance. And same thing here, we are right at H4 support. So it's kind of tricky, that one, to be honest, today. So I wouldn't go like a full risk 3% like usual on this kind of setup. I will probably going to reduce my risk, probably 1.5. I'm going to go halfway on this kind of setup because it's too effy here. This is just me. Hopefully that answered the question. We got 21 like, all right, sorry, let's go. We're back, man. We are back. I'm telling you, next week, man. Next week we're going for 30 likes. So we're gonna increase like that every week, and we're gonna get back to 100 people. And man, if you're there in the next couple weeks or so, I'm gonna do some random giveaway. I used to do that before, and I'm gonna keep doing it. 21 like. Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you. Any last question, guys and girls, obviously, and the others. Sorry, I'm just trying to find the other name, the other whatever. Man, you got to be careful these days in 2022. All right, so yeah, all right, so Eurocad, yeah, Eurocad is very tempting here. So I'm going to use half risk, and yeah, so Eurocad here. Let's put template, load template, bam. Okay, so let's say I put my stop above here. That's a 50 pip stop loss. I missed my entry on the wick up here, but that's all good. So let's go, if we go for 3, 2, 1, that should be right here. All right, so I got my first entry here. So the exact entry price is 33,899. 33,899. Whatever. So we're around there. Stop is 34,384. 34,384. All right. And TP is 3 to 1. TP is 33,385. 33. What? Wait a second. TP 32,385. Sorry. 32,385. What the fuck? Somewhere around here. All right. Cool. So I'm gonna let this play out, and we'll see how it goes. And so I got 0.5% here, and I'm gonna add a 0.5 if we do break and retest. If I get stopped here, that's all good. I'm gonna use my other 0.5 on the second attempt on the break and retest. So I'm gonna just get set this thing up and let it play. All right. Any questions? Let's go take a sneak peek on GJ and gold before we close. So far, we're creating the down wick here, and same thing on gold, right? Gold is doing not much right now. All right, guys. So thank you very much for being here today. This is a comeback, like I said, and this week we're going to be live for Friday night at 6 p.m. We're going to do Forex talk over beer, so don't miss out. We're going to break down trades and ask questions about anything. We can talk about NFTs. We can talk about anything. We're just having a drink and having fun all together. So it will be great to have you guys on board at 6 p.m. Eastern. It's also a comeback, so I'm going to need your help to build back the audience on that show. But I think people loved that show before, so let's get back on the road. Again, thank you very much for being here today, and I'll see you on Friday night, guys. Take care.